In today's digital era, coding isn't just a skill, it's a superpower. Whether you are a student beginning your coding journey or a professional sharpening your skills, GKP's Codewise Complete Programmer Reference is your one stop guide. Written by Dr. Muhammad Abdul Hameed, this book brings together five essential programming languages, which are C, C, Java, Python, and R, in one powerful frame. From basic to advanced concepts, it covers everything: arithmetic operators and loops, functions, arrays and strings, object oriented programming, multi threading, and file handling. Each topic includes step by step algorithms and flowcharts, making learning simple, structured, and effective. This book builds not just coding skills but a programmer's mindset. Master five languages, strengthen your coding foundation only with GKP.